We are taking a tour today to show our people what we plant and how the Ogoni people do farm. Welcome, welcome, welcome. In today's video, we are going to teach you the process of farming in Ogoni and the names of crops. How we name crops in Khana language. So here we have cassava, which is ekpakpolo. We have cassava, which is ekpakpolo. We have here bitter leaf, which is called elobiri or elogiri. We are still in the farm. We have bitter leaf here. There are different types of cassava. As you can see, this one has a red leaf. This one has a red leaf, and this one does not have a red leaf. So there are different species of cassava. All right. So this is how we farm. Let's go. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. This one you are seeing here is called cassava. Cassava is called what peculiar?
Ekpamboro.
Cassava is not ekpamboro. Cassava is called ekpakporo. Let's go to bitter leaf. This is bitter leaf. Bitter leaf is called what? Bitter leaf is called elogiri or elobiri. So we have here cocoyam. This is cocoyam. What is cocoyam in Khana language? Cocoyam is called ede. Ede is called cocoyam. Ede is called cocoyam. Here we still have here pawpaw leaf. Pawpaw. What is pawpaw in Khana language? Peculiar. We have here pawpaw. Pawpaw is called temene. Pawpaw is called temene in Khana language. Pawpaw is called temene in Khana language. We have here ugu leaf. This is ugu leaf. Ugu leaf is called what in Khana language? It's called nya e. It's called what? Nya e. It's called nya e. Here we have sugarcane. Sugarcane is called mimongo in Khana language. Sugarcane is called mimongo in Khana language. Here we have plantain. This is plantain. Plantain is called ebue in Khana language. Plantain is called ebue in Khana language. Here we have okoro, which is called, this is okoro leaf. This is okoro, which is called etike. This is etike. So here we have corn. We have corn. This is corn. Corn in Khana language is called pakpa. This is pakpa. Corn is called pakpa. This is pumpkin leaf. So from this pumpkin leaf, we have what we call a. This is a. This is a from pumpkin leaf. This is how we do farm in Ogoni land. So here is the farmland. Here is the farmland. We are in the farm. Here is the farmland. So we are taking a tour today to show our people what we plant and how the Ogoni people do farm. This is our crops. Here, cassava and other varieties of crops. Thank you for your time. Share, like, subscribe. Here, this palm tree. From here we have palm fruit. From palm fruit we have palm kernel. So here the name of this thing is called in Kana language. The name of this palm tree is called zo. It's called tezo in Kana language. The fruit that this thing bears is called zo, which is the palm fruit. Is called zo. Then the broom being gotten from this is called esan. It's called esan. So this is how palm fruit look like. This how it look like. This how it look like. Then here we have, there's a farm here as well where they plant corn. Here we have sugarcane. This sugarcane. Sugarcane is called mimongo in Kana language. Here we have banana. Banana in Kana language is called ebuegbagarade. Ebuegbagaraba is called banana. Here we have pear. This is pear. This pear is called pen in Kana language. Pear is called pen in Kana language. Here we have avocado pear. This one is called pen beke. Pen beke is called avocado pear. Here we have pineapple. This pineapple. This is pineapple. Pineapple in Kana language is called ekpamboro. Ekpamboro in Kana language. Pineapple is called ekpamboro in Kana language. Here is another amazing thing. See how they plant yam. You see how they plant yam. This yam is being planted inside a bag. You know, this is yam. This is yam. The safest way to plant yam. See, this is yam. So yam in Kana language is called zia. Zia is called zia. Yam is called zia.